Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by choosing the right brush and liquid. Pick a tip size that matches your strokes, fine for detail, broad for washes. Once chosen, open the reservoir and pour clean water or a light pigment mixed to about 3/4 full so airspace lets liquid flow. Gently click the cap closed and test flow by lightly squeezing. You want a steady bead at the tip but no drips. This first step sets consistent flow and prevents surprises later. Now you focus on how pressure and motion affect results. Hold the brush like a pen and very squeeze. A gentle press releases small amounts for subtle gradients, a firm squeeze produces richer lines. Move from light to heavy strokes and use directional brushing to control feathering. Once done with a layer, wait until tacky before adding another to avoid muddying, or work wet and wet for soft blends. Make sure to clean the tip between colors to keep pigments pure. Finish by securing and cleaning the tool so it's ready next time. Empty or flush the reservoir with clean water, swirl and squeeze until clear. Dry the tip lightly on a paper towel and store the brush capped or upright to avoid leaks. If flow stops or becomes sputtery, don't panic. Unscrew the tip, soak it briefly in warm water, then reassemble and prime with a few squeezes. This maintenance step preserves consistent flow and extends the brush's life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.